tablet PC. Equipped with 360 hinge, can be switched among 4 versatile modes, including tablet, laptop, stand and tent modes. Packed with a 10.1-inch 10-point Touch IPS display. Brings your photos and videos to life. Decent cameras for capturing memorable moments. And high-quality pictures in daily life. Jumper EZpad 7 4GB DDR3 RAM for advanced multitasking. And 64GB MGROM storage capacity. Jumper EZpad 7 have HMI output expands your viewing options. You can connect the device to an HD TV or high-definition monitor. To set up 2 screens side by side or just enlarge pictures.